Hello there. If you have deleted a partition by mistake or one or more partition on your hard drive have disappeared, TestDisk will help you restore them and their data. As you can see from the disk management console, I've accidentally deleted disk 1 partition and the unallocated space is displayed. To recover a deleted partition, you must repair the partition table of the concerned hard drive in order to recover the missing partition information. For this, we will use TestDisk. Download the TestDisk from the description section of this video, unzip the downloaded zip archive file, and run the TestDisk file. Click Yes button. Press Enter key to create a new log file. Select the hard drive where the partition was before being deleted or removed and press Enter key. TestDisk should detect the type of partition used on the selected hard disk and displays it in green at the bottom of the window. If the TestDisk doesn't detect the partition type, you will need to select the partition type. In my case, it is Intel partition type. So I will select Intel and press Enter key. Select Analyze and press Enter key. TestDisk displays the list of partitions currently present on the hard drive. Select Quick Search and press Enter key. During the search, TestDisk finds one or more partitions. In my case, Quick Search was sufficient to recover my partition that had been deleted by mistake. Select the partition from the list and press P key to display the files of this partition that you have selected. If you see your files in the list, TestDisk has not made a mistake. Do the same for other partitions selected by the TestDisk. Press Q key to return to the list of detected partitions. When you're ready, press Enter key. As TestDisk has successfully detected partitions that were present on my hard drive before I deleted one of them, I can write this partition table on the hard disk. For this, I will select Write and press Enter key and type Y letter. As you can see, deleted partition has been restored and the files within the deleted partition also recovered. As you can see, this one is recovered. You can close the TestDisk when you are successfully recovered, deleted or lost partition with TestDisk. That is it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.